scientific method, when we think of data, we often think of experiments or correlation studies as our primary source of data. And we'll be talking a little bit about this in this module, in the previous questions, but also in your statistical reasoning, you'll talk a lot about correlation studies. But there are other types of data to consider. One type would be naturalistic observations. These are observations of the natural world. So animals, the climate, water, wind, temperature, insects, all of that, observing them in their natural climate without altering or manipulating it. You're just documenting what happens naturally. Another form of data is surveys. This is sending out questionnaires and polling people on their opinions or what's happening. But in order to have a significant result, you need a large group. You just can't hand it out to 3 or 4 people and say, oh, what are your opinions? And then make big judgments based off of that. So you need a large group of people. And then another type of data collection is case studies. Case studies is analyzing a very unique situation or person and seeing how it compares to the norm. These are often used in legal situations or medical psychiatry, so looking at unique instances and seeing what you can learn from them. The key with data is you have to ask yourself, what is the quality of data? Is it coming from a reasonable source? And do I have enough data? Is the quantity large enough to do statistical analysis on?